Hi there! Welcome to Debutify. In this quick video, I'll walk you through setting up the Product as Variant widget, a powerful feature that allows you to combine related products and display them as selectable variants on a single product page. This helps streamline your catalog, reduce clutter, and improve customer navigation. All right, let's get started. Accessing the widget. To access the Product as Variant widget, open your customized Debutify theme. Click on Debutify Widgets, then select Product as Variant. To enable or disable it, go to Theme Settings, Enterprise Widget. Once enabled, go back to Debutify Widgets, Product as Variant. Here, you can customize all the settings. Ignore case for swatch names. When this option is enabled, swatch names will be treated the same regardless of capitalization. When disabled, swatch names become case-sensitive. Here we have some other options as well. Like, if we need some options like color and images instead of normal swatch. So we can customize from configuration. Let's check that options. Color name. Enter the swatch name that will appear for this color option. Color. Select a solid color, transparent supported, to use as the swatch. Gradient color. Choose a gradient style if you want a blended multicolor swatch effect. Image to color. Upload an image to display as the swatch instead of using a color. Now let's check how we can set up product options. Block name. Used for internal identification of this block. It's recommended to keep the default name to avoid display or configuration issues. Example, X product group. Option names. Add the option types you want to use, such as color, size, material, and more. Example, color, sleeve. Make sure you add color in between options. Great. Product options are done. Now we're moving on to variants. Inside each block, you can customize. Option value. Enter the variant values you want to assign. Example, green, full. Product. Select the product that corresponds to this specific variant. So now, when users select color green and size full at that time, this product will be shown. And that's it. Your Product as Variant widget is now fully set up. By customizing it, you'll create a smoother shopping experience, improve product organization, and encourage customers to explore more options, boosting your store's overall conversion potential. If you need any help, feel free to contact our Debutify support team. We're always happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing with the Debutify theme.